How do you know when to use a, an, the, or nothing at all? English articles can be confusing even for advanced learners, but in this video, we will make them very clear. Stay with me till the end because I've prepared for you 3 rounds of exercises so you test and practice your skills in real time. Let's go. Let's start with the indefinite articles a and an. We use a and an to talk about a singular noun, something that is general or random, or perhaps something that has been mentioned for the first time. For example, I saw a cat in the garden. It doesn't matter which cat. I just saw a random cat. She is eating an apple. I don't care what apple, just an apple. He bought a car yesterday. Maybe we don't know what car he bought. We don't know the model of the car. He bought a car, a random car, yesterday. It doesn't matter what kind. I would like an orange juice, please. I'm not pretentious. I just want a glass of orange juice. You might have noticed that we use the article a for words that start with a consonant, a cat, and we use the article an for words that start with a vowel, an apple. That is correct. However, there is a little exception. Sometimes it's about the sound and not the spelling. Let's have a look at these 2 examples. A university. A university. University starts with a vowel. However, it's all about the sound y, which requires a university. An hour. An hour. Hour starts with age. However, again, it's about the sound ow. An hour. And it requires the article an. Let's do some practice. She's eating orange. He bought new phone yesterday. I'm reading interesting article. They saw elephant at the zoo. He's honest man. We stayed in small hotel near the beach. And these are the answers. Pause the video and have a look. If you've got 5 or 6 out correctly, you're doing brilliantly. Now let's talk about definite articles, the. We use the when we talk about something specific or already known to the listener. For example, I saw a cat. The cat was black. So I'm talking about a particular cat, the cat. Can you pass me the salt, please? I want the salt. Let's go to the supermarket. I don't want to go to any random supermarket. I want to go to a particular supermarket. The supermarket. I met the manager yesterday. It's not just a random person, it's the manager. Somebody I know, the manager. We also use the with unique things or superlatives. For example, the sun, the earth, the sky. You might have noticed my pronunciation for the second word, the earth. Well, if your word starts with a vowel, the is pronounced the. It's written the same, but the pronunciation is different. The earth. Superlatives. She is the best dancer in the group. Shall we do some practice now? Let's go. Choose between a, an, the, or nothing at all. Ready? I saw movie you recommended. Can you close door, please? She wants to buy bicycle. We visited Great Wall of China. He is tallest student in the class. They adopted cat from shelter. And the answers are revealed in 3, 2, 1. Remember, when you mention something for the first time, use a or an. When you mention it again or it's specific, use the. And sometimes we use nothing at all, also known as the zero article. We use nothing with plural or uncountable nouns when speaking generally. In general, I love cats. She likes music. We don't use any articles for names of languages, countries, and meals. He speaks English. We had lunch at noon. We don't use any articles for academic subjects and sports. She studies biology and plays tennis. But don't forget, some country names do take the article the. The UK, the USA, the Philippines, the Netherlands. Let's practice. Choose between a, an, the, or nothing at all. Water in this lake is clean. I drink coffee every morning. People in my city are friendly. She's learning Spanish. We went to park near our house. They play football every weekend. Did you notice we use the when we talk about specific water or people, but no article when speaking generally? Now let's fix some classic mistakes English learners make. I have the car. She's best singer. The people are nice in Japan. He went to school yesterday. Now let's summarize everything we learned today. We use the articles a and an for non-specific, general, or first-time mentioned things. For example, I saw a dog. It doesn't matter which dog, just a general random dog. We use the article the for specific, known, or unique things. The dog was barking. Now I'm talking about a specific dog. The dog was barking. We use no article for general, plural, and uncountable nouns. Dogs are friendly. Now it's your turn. Can you write 3 sentences in the comments with articles a, an, the, or nothing at all? I promise to read them and reply with corrections. Also, if you enjoyed this video and it helped you, like it, subscribe to my channel, and share this video to a person that is struggling with articles. Until next time, take care. Bye.